Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kyle the Lawn Renter here again. It's been a while since I have done a spoon juice update, and I think we're on about the 6th or 7th application now. So I figured, since I've already showed you how I'm doing it, let's just make this a little bit of a ride along. You can sit back, relax, and watch me work. So let's get to it. So I went on vacation about a week ago, and I'm actually behind on this app. I'm actually late. So this app is a little late, but I think we'll be in good shape still. The grass seems to be holding up really well, and yeah, so let's just get this done. It's been raining all day, and so I think the soil's pretty primed today to take up this application. So let's get a hose going and make this happen. Overall, this project's been really successful. I've really enjoyed only having to use one product to take care of this section of the lawn. I like getting out there and, putting as much stuff on the lawn to do something good as I can, but sometimes you just get busy, and if you just need one thing to kind of cover a lot of bases, this product has been really good for that. And I think I'll probably keep up on using this on this section of the lawn. I think I'm gonna smoke it off, chop it down, bring in some dirt, and go Kentucky Blue real mode. We'll see. Oh yeah. I just dropped that whole thing on the lawn. All right, so teaching moment. Trying to do too many things at one time. What's up? Trying to do too many things at one time. I just dropped that whole thing of spoon juice right here in front of the camera. So I'm gonna immediately water this down a lot, like drench it in water, and that should help disperse and dissipate some of this. This is not good for the lawn. Perfect conditions for disease here, but I also don't want to burn the lawn. So look at that. What was supposed to be an easy application turns into a teaching moment, I guess. And it's my own fault for not following my rules, or really just good practice rules. So I spilled this container of spoon juice on the lawn as I was trying to attach the hose to my ortho. So what do you do when you spill fertilizer on the lawn? Well, if it's liquid, you can do like I just did and kind of drench the area a little bit to thin out the amount of product that's concentrated in one place, and hopefully you won't end up burning your turf there. If it's granular, it's a little harder. You can still use some water to try to dilute, that's the word I've been looking for. But some people also will take like a shop vac to that section of grass to suck up as many of the granules as they can. So that's what I get for trying to do this on the lawn and not doing it on the cement. This concentration tank needs to be topped off now with a little bit more spoon juice so I get my rates correct. So let's do that, and then we'll go ahead and attach this to the hose on the cement this time. Everything has a teaching moment in it, I guess, and we can learn new stuff every day and get reminders sometimes too. Let's get this hooked up the right way. Let's get this on the lawn. Every time I go to shoot a video, I never put enough time on the timer to be able to keep the water flow going. Every single time, never fails. Oh, well, actually, I did. I think the hose is just kinked. That's one thing about these 0G hoses. They're not kink proof. I don't think any hose is, but they're not kink proof, but they're definitely way more lightweight and easier to deal with. So let's try this again. Gotta love it when the neighbors stare at you driving by. Anyways, that's about it as far as spoon juice sap goes. That's about all the irrigation that section gets too. So for what it's looking like, I mean, check that out. It's green. It is not patchy. It's pretty thick. The turf color is good. And we just went through a week of like 90-degree temperatures. So stuff's doing really good. And guess you got a free reminder too to not mix your lawn chems and or lawn granules on the lawn, and to do it on the cement at all times, including hooking up your hose end sprayer, because you never know when it's gonna fall apart and fall on the ground and maybe burn your lawn. So anyways, thanks for checking in, guys. Hope you enjoyed this kind of style of video. If you did, let me know. If you hated it, let me know. I'm always curious to see what you guys think of the videos and put together some content that you'll enjoy. So thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider it. Thank you to those who are subscribed, and I'll see you next time.